Definitely go for it, be confident.
Seek help from others where you can.
We get a lot of one-to-one attention, help wherever it's needed.
The facilities here are amazing. We've got a huge workshop with all the equipment that you'd need to learn on. Great programs on the computers. We've got SolidWorks for the CAD design, PicoSoft for the electrical design. Really helpful tools to learn and then apply them in the workplace.
So I work as a maintenance technician here, dealing with electro-pneumatic hydraulic systems. Definitely recommend an apprenticeship if it's something you want to be doing like hands-on, because I think the only way sometimes to learn that kind of thing is to actually be physically doing it.
My long-term goals are to hopefully just carry on progressing through the engineering industry.
So we're focusing on just the electrical side and mechanical side. I get a good variation of everything.
Yeah, the staff were brilliant. Bev, Mark, James and Steph were really helpful throughout the apprenticeship.